Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to recover your deleted photos on your phone. So first thing we're gonna do is go into the photo sections. Okay, and now let's try to delete several photos or multiple photos by go into the select sections here, and after that we just need to choose which photos that we want to delete. Okay, for me, let's try to delete this one. Okay, and then click delete, and then we realize that there is some photo that we don't want to delete actually. So we just need to back into the first page and scroll into downside until we found a recently delete. Just go click this recently delete, and in this phone mostly they will be locked, so you need to access to unlock it. So only the owner of this phone who can recover the photos, and then just click multiple or choose which photos that you want to recover. For example, I want to recover this photo, and then there will be an option in this down side corner here to recover it, and then confirm to recover the photo. And let's check into the photo sections. Is it already back? And yep, it's already back into our album. So that's just the way how you recover your photos. If you find out this video is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.